I was very excited to start working for Dry Kings. It was a new industry for me and I was excited to learn the ins and outs of it.
I had no experience coming in. They have great training here. They have it bi-weekly. My bosses and everyone I work with are always giving me opportunities to expand my knowledge.
We go into different buildings, whether there has been a flood or a fire, and we fix it so they can be back to normal.
Repeat clients that we have, they love working with us because they know when they call us, we're gonna get the job done. Once they hand it to us, they don't have to step back in until they have a clean slate to work with.
Here at Dry Kings, the culture is very family-oriented. Everybody's super close, super knowledgeable.
Our guys are able to deal with people in all different situations, and I'm constantly getting good feedback from customers about our guys.
It's like a family here. The management and everyone here, they make sure you have all the tools and resources you need. Quarterly bonus, that pushes me and motivates me to work harder.
We believe that within every person there's great potential, and we are a place where you can discover that potential, where you can develop greater skill sets, and we give you opportunities to achieve great things personally and with your team.
I am a king.
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 We are Dry Kings, and we are building Dry Kings to be different. We are in the business of helping people. When disasters hit, you get to be the personal hero of our clients.
Dry King strives to be the #1 restoration company in the area. Click on the link below, fill out a resume, and we will schedule a good fit call.